Today, in the Rescue Restorative Kitchen, we are preparing a refreshing cabbage carrot salad. This salad is light, crisp, and supports healthy digestion. Instead of vinegar, we are using lemon juice for a fresh, natural acidity. You might wonder why this change is important. As Manuscript Releases Volume 2, page 143, paragraph 2 explains, salad prepared with oil and vinegar causes fermentation in the stomach, making digestion more difficult. Besides, vinegar, like alcohol, is a product of fermentation, and it's very debilitating to the human stomach. By swapping vinegar for lemon juice, we ensure that this salad remains both delicious and gentle on your digestive system. Small adjustments like this can make a big difference in how your body processes food, helping you feel nourished and balanced throughout the day. So let's dive into this simple, wholesome cabbage carrot salad.